Hey, what's up guys? I'm back with the new video. Today I have here the Nissan Z370. Came for the full wrap, and then I will make the video when I do the wrapping and then teach you how to wrap with the new color of the Ivory. Color gonna be really nice, stay tuned. So now I have to remove the some part of this car. Now I'm having plan to remove that pillar, so I will show you how to do it. So first you need to remove that two tab. You need the trim remover, okay, and then after that, underneath that plate, that pillar have the three rivet or key or whatever. You have to like this. Just try really gently, play with that and try to make it pop. Okay, there you go. So 1, 2, and this one going in, and then you have the one screw here. Always take the cup like that. This is for other car. I write a grip, so you can write a pillar and then put all the bolt there. So now here, this you have to remove this sealing. This one sticking to this area with the tape. It's kind of hard to remove. Okay. You can see it's kind of both side tape, and then after you wrap or you done with this part or you want to replace it, change it, anything after finish, I don't know what's this, something like this, sponge, other side don't have it. Anyway, when you want to do it, to put it back, you can with the heat gun or something, a little bit make it heat and then put it back and I stick really well. So here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws. I'm going to unscrew those. I'll find that. Okay, and then you have the one plastic rivet here. This one is a little bit hard to come out. A little bit plain like this with the trim remover. If you push it hard, those things gonna damage this aluminium. This one holding the pillar. Okay. For removing the pillar, I'm recommending, because here now weather is really cold and then those are really easy to break. So with the heat gun, and then you have to open the trunk. I did before the start. Maybe make it warm a little bit. So less risky to break anything. Now Korea is really cold. And then with the plastic remover, start to open it. Okay, there you go. Okay. One thing I have to show. This one, you have to slide this one to the up. But before that, you have another key inside this pillar, so you need to open the hood.
하이.
Hello.
핑이 아니라 핑 현이나 보면 이제.
겁나 깊구나니.
그게? 프로필이네.
Okay. Let me. You can see another key here. So. Other tools. I hope you guys can see that. Okay. Got another one pop up. So. Okay, yeah, close it, please. Then you have to close the hood. Pillar come out. Okay. This is the way how you have to remove the Nissan Z370 pillar. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share my video, and then support me for my future. See you next time.